Good day, wonderful learners! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about sentences with zero conditional. What does it mean? How and when should we use it? Stay with me until the end of this video and find answers to these questions. We will also have a free grammar quiz at the end to help you practice what you have learned today. Let's get started! In general, conditional sentences consist of two parts. The part with if or when clause, which gives you the condition, and the part with the result of this condition is called the main part. We use zero conditional to describe situations or facts which are true. It is commonly used, for example, to talk about scientific facts which are well known or proven. For example, water boils if it reaches 100 degrees. To talk about instructions and rules. For example, bake the cake for 30 minutes when the temperature reaches 200 degrees in the oven. Fasten your seat belt when you drive a car. To talk about present habits. If I drink coffee in the morning, I feel more active. As I mentioned before, there are two parts in the sentence. So in zero conditional, both parts, the main clause with the result and the clause with conditional, are with the same tense, the present simple. For example, if it rains, the ground gets wet. The order of the clauses does not change the meaning. The main clause can be at first. The ground gets wet if it rains. The main clause can be after the if clause. The meaning will not be changed. If it rains, the ground gets wet. Moreover, in these types of sentences, we can use modal verbs. May, might, can, must, should. For example, if you're feeling sick, you should see a doctor. If you are feeling sick, you must stay at home. Let's summarize what we have studied today. Zero conditional is used when we talk about well-known facts, general truth, rules and instructions, and habits. I hope this grammar was clear and helpful, and to check your understanding, please follow the link in the video description for our free grammar quiz. Also, you might like to see our previous video about conditionals. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, as it is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.